Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to find people you unfollowed on LinkedIn. So let's get started. So if you want to find all the people that you have unfollowed on your LinkedIn account, so to do that what you have to do is just simply open up your LinkedIn application, and after opening up your LinkedIn, now what you have to do is just tap on your profile icon, which is on the top left. After tapping on the profile icon in the bottom left, you will find the settings option. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that, now what you have to do is just simply tap on account privacy. After tapping on account privacy, just scroll down, and after scrolling down here you will find this option, which is people you unfollowed. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that, now I can find every single person that you have unfollowed over here. So now what you can do is just simply go ahead and follow them from here. So that's it guys, this is how to find people you unfollowed on LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.